Okay, let's go.
Now, right here in Ghana, a young inventor is building giant drones. Yes, drones that lift off, fly, and hover like helicopters. But that's just the beginning. He's also designing intelligent robots that can actually play football. Oh yes, with grabbing arms and striking limbs, fully removed control. And you'll be highly surprised that he does all this with no advanced laboratory, no sponsors, just vision, grit, and raw, unstoppable talent. And in a world filled with untapped genius, this story actually deserves to be seen.
One day, practice may not be on the roads. These drones will be flying with us and sending us wherever we have to be without traffic and all the stress. So come on board with me, support.
This one that I'm holding, I think it's also a different type, a different model. Oh, okay.
You can see it has two big motors and 4 tiny motors.
Yeah, so okay.
So it functions like a helicopter, but its movements or directional control is not based on a swatch plate and then collective and then cyclic movement.
Okay.
This is like a normal quad. So the normal quad system is able to balance and cause it to move in all the directions.
Okay.
But the main lifting force is these two. So my name is Gideon Mensah. My peers call me Passgate. It's actually an upcoming brand, and this is what I do. I build drones and robots, and it's something that I've been researching for a while now. I've spent a lot, I've invested a lot, and this is how far I've been able to come. And I'm calling on whoever is willing and has the ability and has interest in Africa and the youth, in our development and the future of our children today, to come on board with me. Let's go on this journey. Let's be able to develop this further, build into products, and give it to our nation to be able to serve us. Because this is a phase we are entering in that is inevitable. You can see it has 2 big motors and 4 tiny motors.
Yeah, so okay.
So it functions like a helicopter, but its movements or directional control is not based on a swatch plate and then collective and then cyclic movement.
Okay.
This is like a normal quad. So the normal quad system is able to balance and cause it to move in all the directions.
Okay.
But the main lifting force is these two. Yeah, it's a new thing I had done one experiment which worked perfectly.
Wow.
Very nice.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the second version that I'm doing. Okay. That one had, I think, 4 corners, but this one I decided to just make it 1 corner.
Okay.
And where this one be? This one I'll actually give it a name. It looks like an animal.
Yes. Oh yes. I want to look at it from this side. Yes. Doesn't it look like a certain bird or?
Yeah, it looks something interesting.
Like an eagle's mouth, something like that. So you check it for us. What animal does it resemble? Does it look like? Is it like an eagle or?
Yeah, you put it in the comment.
Yeah. So put it at the comment section. Let's see who will get it correct. All right. So let's talk about this one.
Yes.
This one you said, you want to build a big one that one can actually be in there. So this will be the seat.
Yeah, the pilots.
Okay.
And then the back will be for payloads, like be a passenger or 2 passengers.
Okay, can also get in there.
Yeah.
Wow.
And the battery and everything will be at the top side.
Oh, okay.
And the human will also be at the down. Chilling.
Oh.
And it will be an automatic flight. There's nothing like
controlling and blah 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 and all that. Oh, I see. So these are the stands.
Yes. There's a Y6 configuration. So it has 6 motors and it's in the form of a Y. So it's called a Y6 configuration.
Yeah.
It's actually very stable. Like
it looks like a catapult though.
It looks like
catapult. Those in the olden days you just stretch like this. Oh yes, am I lying? It looks like a catapult, but it's so nice. Yeah. And with these 6, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 and 6 over here. Okay, so let's talk about the robots. I've seen some of them over here. Oh, okay. So let's get down to their level and talk about them.
So this is an upcoming thing. I've not seen anyone do something like that.
Wow.
And this is all knowledge I've built on till now.
Okay.
And the control side is actually going to be imported from drone technology.
Okay.
So it's a football kind of. I've just built 2 players. This can actually be in one team.
Okay.
Where you can control all from one controller. And you can control all together. You can switch in between the two to control the ball for, scoring your goals.
Okay.
And it has a grabbing arm. And then a striking arm. Let me use this one. It's not connected to the servos. I can hit it hard.
Oh, I see. Wow.
Yeah, so you can direct it left, right, whatever.
So this one will be playing the ball, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Playing the ball. It's actually a very nice toy.
Wow.
And imagine your child building this themselves.
Wow.
It's just going to be amazing.
Wow.
Because the kind of knowledge you need after building this, in fact, you can do anything in the house. You can repair anything in the house.
Wow.
If you're able to build this robot.
Yes.
You can repair lights. So now children will now have the ability, if a child should go through this kind of training, will have the ability to repair things and not spoil things. So they understand how they work.
Yes.
But you know how a motor works, you know how a fan works, you know how a switch works, you know how the socket works.
Wow. So if you're watching us now and you want your kids, your children, whoever, you want the person to learn these robotics and all these, in fact, I recommend this man. You get in touch with this man so that he gets time to train you. It may even be on your own. You want to learn all these. I think it's going to be awesome in that way. Wow. So let's say it gets the ball this way and then it plays it like this. Wow.
Can I hit it very hard?
Oh wow. So I've scored a goal. Oh, so lovely. Wow. Oh, okay. So these will be attacking the opponent, right?
So if you're able to hit it very hard, you can lose its grip.
Oh, okay.
And you go and quickly take control.
Wow.
So I'm going to program in such a way it will be a little smart. Maybe you can just press a button.
Okay.
This will just lie. This will open up. And then by the time you get there, it should just grab the ball. So that I'll say this is version 1. Okay. No, this is version 2. I did the version 1 with wood. That's in 2017 in Kumasi. At a place called Kumasi Hive. And this is version 2.
Okay.
This area is where the battery is and everything. Civils.
You have been able to cover all the innovations, all that he has been able. Okay, so I think there's one over here with this white metal. Okay. This one too, what is it turning into?
So this is a CNC machine.
Okay.
So it has 3 actually this is 2 axes. So you can move this way.
Okay.
You can also move this way. And it has a laser head on top of it.
Oh, okay.
I'm not done with it, so I've not secured joints. So even this place, I'm going to put a mechanism where it can control the up and down.
Okay.
So the laser model, once I connect it to my computer, the computer, I would have loaded a file to it, which I've designed in my modeling software. So I can model something like this shape, with the circles on top. And then the laser can either engrave this design on wood or it can cut it out on the same material. So it's either it's cutting out depending on the power you are using, or it's just marking it for you to just see the design on top. And this technology, you can also use it for building of drones, where you can use it to cut your parts. So if you look at this one like this, the top part is a flat plate.
Yes.
And once you put in the design, you can cut it out for you without stress.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's the CNC technology. 3D printing too is another CNC technology, but this does it in all 3 dimensions.
Okay.
So it actually builds the things. All these things are 3D printing technology.
Wow, wow,
Yeah.
wow. Okay, so that is Mr. Gideon Mensah. All these that you see over here are massive innovations that were made by himself. Yes, and he's ready for whatever sponsors that you or whatever sponsorship that you can have for him, whatever assistance, whatever support, he's ready to accept it, to be able to make more of these. And if you also want to learn, if you need these types of trainings, he's also ready to train you wherever you are. You just get in touch with him, and then he's actually going to train you to become perfect in that. The room where he does almost everything together with the kids over here. Yes, and you can imagine how kids pick things and then be throwing them away and all that, how kids will be destroying stuff. It's just natural and it's everywhere. And so let us try to get him out of this place so that all these machines, all these equipment will be at a showroom. You'll get more time to concentrate on the work. He's been in this room and he's been able to manufacture all these. Oh, come on, think up with me over here. How much more do you think he'll be able to do when he's having a showroom, when he's having a workshop, when he's having a room furnished with all the machines and the things, the equipment that he needs? Let us come together to support him. Once again, you can pick out our contacts on the screen, either myself or his contact. Get in touch with us, and then they will lead you straight away to his place. And then we also let the world know what you have done. We will let the world know that, hey, this person has been able to, or these people, or this government has been able to help Mr. Gideon. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button, be part of this wonderful family. Share so that other people can also watch and watch and watch. Keep on sharing. What I tell viewers out there.
Yes, so subscribe to the channel.
Great.
And then keep sharing, keep
Very
watching,
good.
I believe, and also liking.
Good.
Like the videos, go through all the videos, like it. I mean, Africa has a whole lot of talent, and if we can support our own, we can push ourselves forward.
Great.
Yeah.
Great. Whether in Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, wherever, UK, America, European country, wherever, just place it at the comment section where you're watching us from, and we will be glad to read your comment. Thank you, and God bless you.
This is what real innovation looks like, built not in a lab but with pure determination, creativity and skill. Here on Atta Smart Explores, I travel across Ghana and beyond, uncovering untold talent, showcasing inventors and giving visibility to those creating change in their own corners of Africa. Now, if this story inspired you, don't stop here. There are more mind-blowing discoveries waiting on this channel, and if you or someone you know is building something amazing, whether it's in technology, creativity, robotics, engineering, arts or craft, do not hesitate to reach out. The world needs to see you. Contact me and let's share your story. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unbelievable talent across Africa. And hey, turn on the bell so you never miss a discovery.